channel. Today I am taking lecture accounting concept setup in Tally software part 3. So friends, first I will cover the main screen. In main screen of Tally there are 6 options available. Which are the 6 options? Select company, login as remote user, create company, backup, restore and quit. Let's do it the practice. When I press first command, that is select company, then this screen will appear on your laptop or computer. Okay, this will user has to select the company, and based on that he will pass the accounting entries. Okay, next option is login as remote user. When you press login as remote user, this screen will appear on your screen, that is your tally.net id, and second one is tally.net password. Friends, these options, when you purchase license software, that time Tally will provide you tally.net id and tally.net password. Okay, third option is create company. This is the most important setup of Tally. So before inserting any details in create company options, please discuss with seniors. Okay, the first one is name. Above name there is a path given where the original data will be saved of Tally software. Okay, you have to give name, then mailing name, address, then you have to give country, state, pin code, contact details. The contact details, in contact details, phone number, mobile number, fax number, email, website. Next important option is books and financial years. Friends, in India, accounting year always begin from 1st April, but business will either start on 1st May, 1st June, yeah, any date of the financial years. That time we have to insert the date books beginning from. Okay. Next option is security control. Friends, do not touch this option. Only IT department will set Tally user ID and password and allocation of rights. So my personal request is don't touch this option. Only for knowledge purpose you should understand that IT department will create user ID, passwords and rights. Okay, according to designation, rights will be given to the user. On the bottom of the screen there is a base currency information. This is the numeric value setup. First one is currency symbol, second is formal name INR. If dollar is there, then USD. Suffix, whether you want any suffix, means beginning. Prefix and sorry, suffix means afterwards. Okay, add space between amount and symbol. Yes, there should be a space between amount and symbol. Show amount in millions. In India, millions is not allowed. Next one is number of decimal places, 2. Word representing amount after decimal, in India will say that it's a paise. Number of decimal places for amount in words, that is 2. On the bottom of the screen, this is a Tally logo. Then series, that is version and update soil. Friends, uh, indirectly this information gives to user that series A release 6.0.1 is already installed in your Tally software, and series A release 6.4 available. When this message appear on your screen, then immediately you have to inform to IT department, please update Tally software. In updates, Tally has do some additional setup. That additional setup will update in this latest software. Okay, next one is license detail. If you purchase a Tally software license version, that time this detail will appear. The next one is configurations. This is a gateway ODBC server. This is a technical setup. IT department will aware that. Next one is calculator. If you want to do any calculations, then Tally has given control N options. Okay, hope that you have understand the creation setup of Tally software. Next one is backup. Friends, backup is most important. because if something is happen on your tally data, then based on the backup you can restore it. Now we should understand how backup will done. For when you press backup, the screen will appear, that is select, that is source, and second one is destination. In destination, manually you can update the new path where you want to take the backup, and bottom that after destination, name of the company means you have to select the company. If 5 companies are there, then you have to select 5 companies. At present only one company, then one company backup will be reflected. Friends, when you press enter, the backup file will save in D drive temp folder. Okay, this is a backup process. Please note that word is that first is source, second one is destination. Means source means where is the your original data saved, and destination means where you want to save your data, that is backup data. Next one is restore. In restore, different option means you have to first give destination. Destination means where your original backup is saved, and source means where you want to save so that you can run your tally data. Okay, and next below that, when you when you select this option restore, destination you have to update the path, and source will you have to update the path where you want to save your data, and below that name of the company will reflect. If 5 companies are there, you can select either 1 2 3 4, yeah, anyone. Okay, and press enter, data will be showed. Friends, my personal request is don't do backup and restore option directly without IT help. Okay, so before taking backup and restore, you should take the advice of IT department. Okay, next option is, that is backup, restore, and then quit option is there. That is quit means close the tally software. Now next screen, that is your main screen. When you select company or when you create company, after selecting company, directly this screen will appear. In the case of create company, after completion of, after updation of all the details, this screen will appear on screen. Friends, in gateway app tally, this is first option is master, means this is a master setup, that is account information and inventory. Second one is transaction setup. Transaction setup lecture will be taken in next after completion of this lecture. I will take in the next lecture the transaction setup and the report setup. Okay, now this lecture is master setup. I am repeating again, master setup. In master setup, account information and inventory informations both are important factor. If you don't want inventory, then please deactivate inventory options, only account information is sufficient. Then you have to properly update the master setup of account informations. Okay, let's begin. Okay, this is master transaction utility reports. Friends, just watch on the screen, red characters are red. Its meaning is that, here also you can see that in account information A is in red character. This indicates that you can use a shortcut button. Shortcut button means you can press A, directly account information will appear on screen. You press I, directly menu of inventory information will available. In accounting voucher, when you press V, directly voucher screen will appear. When you press T, directly voucher screen of inventory will be appear. If you press B, balance sheet, directly balance sheet screen will appear on your screen. Okay, so now we'll first understand the master setup of account informations. Okay, this is a master setup. Please understand, any software in the world, master setup is important. Generally, in the case of international software, master setup will be done by the IT department or the expert person who have knowledge of this software. First one is account information. Second menu is groups. If you press group, this sub menu will be open, that is single group, create, display, alter. Multiple group, create, display, alter. Create means single, create single group. Display means display single group. Alter means alter single group. In multiple groups, these options are available, means multiple you can create, multiple display and alter and quit. Next option is ledger. In the case of ledger, single ledger, in the case of single ledger, below options are create, display, alter. Multiple ledger, create, display, alter and quit. Friends, in groups and ledgers, sub menus are same. In the case of voucher types, for how many options are available? Create, display, alter, quit. Friends, there are standards available. There are standards given: create, display, alter, quit, and last option is quit. Friends, in the master setup, when you press account informations, this screen will be appear. That is option is group, ledger, cost categories, cost center, budgets, scenario, currency, voucher types and quit. When you press groups, this second screen will appear, that is create, display, alter. Multiple groups, create, display, alter. When you press when you press ledger, this screen will appear, create, display, alter. Only thing, credit limit, this new option is available, so I have given below that. In the case of credit limit, means you want to set the limits for billing either purchase or sales, and you want to give credit period for payment or receipt. This is applicable for both the cases, sundry creditors and sundry debtors. Okay, it's a credit limit. Why this credit limit is set? There is a reason behind that. Generally, uh, companies aware that this debtor have this much capacity to purchase goods from our company. In the case of creditors, generally the credit period is set by the credit period we can set based on our based on our relationship with your creditor. Okay, this option is why this option is useful in the case of MIS. This option is very good because when you when you take the sundry debtors outstanding reports, you will immediately understand how many credit period we have given to the debtors. Yeah, how many credit period we had taken from creditors. Okay, hope that you understand the importance of credit limits. Okay, now group creation means this screen will cover account information. This screen, first option group, ledger, cost categories, cost center, budget, scenario, currency, voucher types, quit. Okay, when I press group and create single group, means with single I am creating single group, that is computer. I have selected main group fixed asset. In the case of group behavior like sub ledger, I have selected yes option. Next option, net debit credit balance for reporting, I have selected no. Use for calculation for taxes discount, I have selected no. And next one is method to allocate when used in purchase invoice, I have selected not applicable. Friends, just select these only important options. Don't select too much options which create you problem. It's better to select minimum option, it's better. Okay, after inserting computer in group creations, I have created ledger, that is laptop. I have saved in computer. Just wait for 1 minute. Okay, continue. I have created ledger laptop and I have selected group computer. Below computer, if you just watch on the screen, the fixed main group is appear, that is fixed asset. Okay, I have saved one hypothetical entry in laptop ledger. The trial balance presentation I have given on your screen. That is fixed asset your main group, subgroup is computer, and ledger is laptop. Friends, I want to just give information that ledger name is always in italic. I am repeating again, ledger name always in italic, group always in normal case. Okay, just watch on the screen, laptop is in italic, computer is in normal case, fixed asset also in normal case. This is the amount presentation. Okay, next is cost centers. Friends, why cost center is required? Friends, if you are nowadays, if your branches in different cities, then you have to account your expenses cost center wise. Okay, the reason behind is that you want to know that how much expenses incurred by for example Rajapur branch, yeah, or Kankoli branch, okay, yeah, Pune branch. In cost center you can create these options so that you can aware that how much cost. um, this option will be activated when you, for example, when you are booking any telephone exchange payment entry, you select the payment voucher, and in the case of debit you type telephone exchange expenses, immediately cost center screen will appear on screen. You have to select the branch name and allocate the billing amount. Clear? That is the importance of the cost center. I have already informed my in previous lecture. The cost center means you want to identify cost in department wise or in branch wise. Okay. In cost center, three options are available: cost category, cost centers. Sorry, three categories. Yes. Sorry, how much category? Two categories. Cost categories. Second one is cost center, and third one is budget. When you press cost categories, this screen will be appear. Create, display, alter. Second screen is cost center, and third screen is budget. Friends, Tally has also introduced a budget control technique in Tally software. Friends, in the case of international software, these options are available. The reason behind that, each company is in the I'm giving example again. See, a budget is the most critical factor for any business. In beginning of the month of the year, that is in the case of April, management is preparing budget for full year. If something is in shortfall, then management will immediately understand that funds is required for that particular budget. For example, expenses budget, capital expenditure budget. Generally budget means some approximate amount based on the last year experience. Budgets are prepared, but if any sudden government policies change, then your cost also will be changed. Okay, that time you have to make the provisions for additional fund available. Additional, that time you have to arrange the additional funds and immediately trigger that if the fund is not available with you, then you can take loan from banks, or you can take short period cash credit from banks. Okay, I have given example. In cost category, I have typed branch and mobile, and allocation I have given only for revenue items, and non-revenue items I have selected no. Revenue item is profit and loss item. Okay, and I have created cost center. This is a cost center: Goa, Rajpur, Kankoli, mobile number, because I want mobile number cost. Okay, and this is my cost category. Okay, when I book payment entry, just watch on the screen. Just watch on the screen, mobile expenses is 15,000, and this is allocation of the mobile expenses cost. Okay, that is Rajapur, Kankoli, Goa, and mobile expenses mobile number wise. Okay, this is the cost. Hope that you have understand the meaning of cost category and cost center. Next one is budget. I already informed you that the importance of the budget means how much cost, how much funds you require for the particular expenses. Here I have given some example. Name is corporate budgets and main group is budgets. Period also I have specified, and applicable for group, ledger or cost centers, that also I have said for only for ledgers. Below the expenses, mobile expenses of Concoli cost centers, net of transactions, maximum limit is 1,25,000. Means budget I have given that in 2 months your mobile expenses bill should not be exceed 1,25,000. The moment bill will exceed 1,25,000, immediately pop up on your voucher screen that you have exceeded the budget. Okay, I am repeating again. When you book any payment entry and that time your budget is exceed, immediately pop up on your screen that you have exceeded your budgets, and vouchers are allowed to save, but the report will separate report will be generated that variance of the expenses limit is 1,25,000, but the branch has exceeded his limit, that is 1,35,000 or 1,40,000. Immediately management will take the actions on branch why these expenditures are increased. Then management will take explanation from the particular branch. Next one is scenario and currencies. Friends, scenario options not so much important, but if you want to take the details, separate explanation available on the Google. But in the case of currencies, yes, if your business is if handling a different type of currencies, that time this option is available. Friends, scenario is it's not too much important, it's not much required for your accounts purpose. Only selected master setup, transaction setup and report setup gives sufficient details. Okay, next screen is inventory. In the case of inventory master, same setup is there. Stock groups, single group, multiple groups. Stock items, single group, multi group. But unit measurement they have given additional setup. Unit measure means your stock should be counted in numbers, kgs, liters. That option is available here. And voucher types also is given. Okay. This is the screen. Inventory information, stock group, stock item, unit measurement, voucher types. In stock groups, same options available in the case of uh, in account information. And next one is stock categories. Not much important stock categories. Only stock group and stock items is important. Stock category is only for information purpose. Unit measurement, I will inform you that if you want to count your stock numbers in kgs, that time this option is available. I have given one example also. Stock group is LG TV. My stock category is 29-inch TV, and my stock item is TV under the main group LG TV. LG TV means this. This is your main group, stock group, and this is your stock category. And unit measurement numbers. Maintain in batches. If you want to maintain batches, then just press yes. Now presentation in Tally. I have booked one hypothetical example. This will screen your opinion screen. LG TV is your main group and TV is the item. Stock category is not reflecting on your screen. So I already informed that stock group and stock item is important. Clear? Next screen is comparison of master setup of account setup and inventory setup. In the case of group, same options are available. Stock, creation of ledger and stock categories. Same options are available. Stock items only in inventory. Currency only in accounts informations, and unit measurement in inventory. Next one is voucher types. Voucher types options available in both the side, account information and in inventory setup. Go down. This is additional setup in inventory model. When you want to create single go down, yeah, multiple go down. And also additional options are available. Other option, that is payroll. Friends, you can do payroll setup in Tally. If you want to do payroll setup in Tally, then please read below notes, below detailed notes. Okay, that time you can understand the whole process. Okay, now function key F11 and F12. Friends, this is the heart of Tally software. If you carefully understand F11 and F12 options, then you become master and you will understand the process of any accounting software. So please carefully read the options available in F11 and F12 and carefully read the questions. If you give reply yes, then you have to give reply of other question also. When you are given answer is yes, then you have to give additional question answer also, and additional details also you have to input in your software. Okay, so my personal request is don't put so much information, otherwise Tally software will be slow. Because of too much information you have, too much option you have activate. If the server speed is not that much capable, then it will create problems. So my personal suggestion is select these important options which is required to your business. Yes, if you want to activate all the options, then please take guidance of IT department, so that so that they can do alternate facility to activate this type of options. Okay, now accounting features, inventory features, statutory and taxation, add-on features and quit. This option is available in F11. If F11, just I press F11, this screen will be appear, my screen. First option is maintains account only, means you want only accounts, you don't want inventory information. Just I have inserted no. When you insert no, that time all the inventory option will be disappear on your screen. Integrated accounts and inventory, if previous option is S, then this option given this question is integrated accounts and inventory, means closing stock inventory whether you want to take in the accounts. Generally this answer is no, because inventory is not tallied as per accounts. There are minor differences, so it is very difficult to match accounts inventory and inventory as physical inventory. So always this option should be no. Next option is use income and expenses instead of profit and loss. Friends, income and expenses are used only for trust, yeah, or non-profit organization. Only business person can use profit and loss word, but non-profit organization you use income and expenses account. Next option is enable multiple currency. If your business in multiple currencies, this USD, GBP, that time this option is on. Next important is outstanding management. Friends, this option is important for your sundry debtors and creditors, whether you want to maintain your data in billing wise. This my personal request is always keep option is yes. Yes, second option is for non-trading account also. My personal suggestion is please maintain yes. Okay, for example, if you have taken AMC services from any AC, that time you can create bill by bill information for non-trading also. Non-trading means profit and loss account, debit side, expenses. Above option is trading debit side, trading credit side, means purchase and sales. Below option is profit and loss, debit side. Next one is important option is activate interest calculation and use advanced parameter. Friends, Tally software also creating calculating interest on loan given or taken. Next option is cost center or profit center management. This is a setup. If you want to activate payroll, then you can press yes. When you want to activate cost center, then this option should be yes. Means use cost center for job costing, no. Maintain cost center, yes. Show opening balance in revenue items in your report, no. Next screen is invoicing. Enable invoicing options, yes. Record purchase invoice in mode, yes. Use debit credit note, yes. In the case of debit note means purchase return, credit note means sales return. This option should be always yes, because in the case of GST return, debit note and credit note is important. And debit note and credit note always require in invoice format. Then you have to use yes option. Budgets and scenario, not so much important, but budget is important. Next one is banking features, that is check printing. This option is always good because you can print your check from the Tally software also. Next one is other features. uh, Whether you want to enable zero value transaction, generally no. Maintain multiple mailing details, yes, you can create multiple details for your company and ledgers, means head office, corporate office, branch. Enable company logo, yes, you want to print company logo on vouchers or on ledgers, then this option can be selected. You have to give the path where the logo is saved on your computer or in server. Inventory features, integrated accounts and inventory, generally this option is no. Enable zero value transaction, yes, you can do in inventory also. Enable zero value transaction means once goods are movement from one branch to another branch, but you don't know the exact value, then that time you can just book the normal entry, but don't put amount, because you don't know the how much quantity transfer from one godown to another godown. Then this option is very good. Storage and calculation, multiple godowns activations, stock categories, batch wise. Friends, don't activate too much options. Okay, only select it batch wise. If you require, then press yes. Not required, then press no. Next one is order processing. Whether you want to purchase order or sales order, friends, this is only for the information purpose. uh, Purchase order and sales order options are activated in Tally, but purchase order and sales order data will not reflect in accounts. This is only for information purpose, how much you are raise purchase order, or how much you are raise sales order on debtors or creditors. Next option is invoicing setup. Different type of setup will be on purchase management, sales management, and other features. Most important setup is statutory and taxation. Friends, GST, if you want to activate in Tally, then you have to select statutory and taxation and just insert yes and yes in both the options, that is insert or alter GST details also. Okay, other options also are available, that is VAT, excise, service tax, TDS, TCS, payroll options, local body tax. Generally, GST are activated in Tally because it's better. Tally is nowadays Tally is upgrading in GST due to more updates amendment in GST. Okay, in GST, when you activate set alter GST detail yes, immediately the screen will appear. You have to update the details. I already informed you that when you press yes, then you have to give answer of new questionnaires. Then you have to update the details, GST number, applicable from, whether you want to alter GST rates, enable GST classification, provide L2 bonds details. Then you have to update the GST details, rate. If you want to activate TDS options, then TDS detail you have to insert in your Tally software, TAN, director type, branch, then set alter details. Okay, now next option is function key F12. Friends, this is the most important setup of Tally software, so carefully understand. In this configuration setup, other setup also are given for printing of any reports or voucher printing or emailing, data configurations, advanced configuration, licensing details. All these important information is available in function key. First one is general. In general scheme, Tally software is prepared not only for India but it's for prepared for globally. So top options for SAARC countries. Then default appearance of name in report, set date, format of numbers. Friends, this type. Friends, I want to just inform you that Tally has given so much options, and also they have informed to users also that they have done this much setup. Generally, in the case of international software, this minute setup nobody will inform you and nobody will guide you that this setup is available in this module. Okay, but Tally has opened all the options so that user should aware that this type of options are available. You can either insert new, either modify it or change it. Okay, table configuration, import and other options. Next one is numeric symbol, debit, negative amount, minus sign, positive amount, plus but not required, debit and credit. Next option, in accounts and inventory info. Friends, you have to just read each and every questions and you have to give the reply. Friends, just note that if you give reply yes, then you have to give reply additional answers and you have to update additional details also. This is the most important setup, master and inventory. For example, provide contact details, provide multiple addresses. These options, if you press yes, then at the time of booking of stock vouchers, that time this option will demand the additional details. Voucher entry setup, each entry important setup is there. Means skip date fill during creation of faster entry, yes. Single entry mode. Fourth one is use credit debit instead of to and by, generally yes. Either you can use debit credit, yeah, to or by. Check printing for contra vouchers, generally you can press yes, then contra vouchers, contra checks also will be prepared. Negative cash balance, yes, immediately pop up red. If the negative cash balance is there, then ledger balance show in negative, in red color, so that user will alert that my cash balance is negative. Friends, you have to read each and every options and you have to update the details whether you want to require whether you want to activate this option or not. Next screen is invoice and order entry, that is purchase order and sales order. What type of additional details you want in purchase order or in sales order. Enable supplementary details, allow separate buyer consignee names. Friends, this type of options given by Tally so that user should aware that you can modify the setup of purchase order or sales order according to your own requirement. But in the case of international software, you cannot easily modify the setup of and master setup of purchase order and sales order. We have to follow some process. After that, modification is allowed. That is customization software is saying that customization. Next one is payroll configurations. Not if you want to take, if you want to activate payroll option, that time this option, that time you have to update the information. Next important, banking. This is for bank reconciliation purpose. Okay, auto prepare bank reconciliation, this type of setup is there. Printing, how much options are given, different type. Printing means general printing, that is when you print any voucher, any reports, then print date and time. If you press yes, then date and time will reflect on the output. If in the case of voucher also, print date and time and voucher, these options will be reflect yes, then print date and time will be reflect. Next one is purchase transaction, payment voucher, sales transaction, receipt voucher, general voucher, debit note. Friends, each voucher Tally has suggested you that they have activated this type of options. Okay, Then one reminder letters, confirmation statements, payment advice, payroll, advanced configurations. We'll take in the next screen. Purchase printing, purchase voucher, what type of setup is there, receipt note, purchase order, quit. Then purchase printing. Friend, just read different type of options they have given. You have to just insert that yes or no. If you press yes, then this then the data will be print in your which option, purchase voucher. Next screen is receipt note. All the setup is given, width, height, what type of options are available, whether you want in print of print voucher or of receipt note. Then this option, then purchase order, what type of options are available, whether you want in data in whether you want details in purchase order output, then you have to press yes. Next screen is payment voucher. How much setup is there, height, width, what type of details will print in the vouchers, all the options they have given. Next, sales printing, what type of options are available, sales, point of sales, delivery note, sales order quotations. In sales invoice, the different type of sales invoice setup is given, what type of details available, whether you want on the sales invoice, yes, you have to press yes. Next one is point of sales, you have to update the details, uh, either yes or no. Next one is delivery note, you have to update the delivery net informations, that these options are available, and you can you can update the details yes, and these details will appear in your delivery note. Next one is sales order. Sales order printing setup is given and different type of questions given, you have to answer the questions. Next one, receipt voucher, what is the setup for printing, this given in receipt voucher. Next one is journal voucher, setup is given on screen, just you have to press yes or no. My personal suggestion, don't directly touch on this setup unless and until this is important, unless and until this is important, that whether these options are available in Tally software, then only go in F12. Next one is debit note, credit note, then reminder letters to daters, directly as Tally has done the reminder letter printing configuration. Next one is confirmation statement. If you want confirmation for audit purpose, there then the letter format also set. Next one is payment advice confirmations. They have given payment advice configuration setup also. Next one is payment advice configurations, means payment advice printing confirmation, what type of details will be, signatory details also they have given. Printing advanced configurations, please don't use these options unless and until is required. Next one is email configurations. With the help of IT, this option should be activated when you want to email the ledger or voucher, then you can do this setup without login in Gmail ID. Then data configurations, where your data is saved. Next one is advanced configurations, IT. Product features, means what type of up to what release your software is updated. Next one is licensing detail. If you purchase your software licensing, then you have to activate your license in this model, that is F12. Next one is what type of functions keys. F1 is select company, underscore F1 shut company, F2 insert date, underscore F2 insert from and to date, means you have to update period, underscore F3 company informations, F11 F12 already discussed what type of options are in F11 and F12. Okay, that's it for the today. I hope that you like the above lectures. If you like the above lectures, then please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you.